We're here at Collegetown Center, about halfway down the long hallway in this building. We are on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor elevator building, and we are going into studio apartment 316. This is a north rectangle style apartment on the 3rd floor of the 6th floor elevator building. As we enter, you can see we've got the kitchen on the left, and the kitchen is the same setup that you've seen in the other videos. The refrigerator, dishwasher, sink, microwave, stove, and oven, and we have those cabinets and drawers here in this even number style apartment like 16. You've got this wall space across from the kitchen, and you can place a shoe rack, a narrow table, or a small shelf along here to add for some extra storage space within the apartment. As we go into the apartment, our closet is on the left. We'll take a look in the closet. So we have that storage shelf, the hanging rack. This apartment, in this closet, a previous tenant has left some hooks on the walls, which are a nice addition. You are welcome to add some hooks inside the closet like this. There's even a couple on the other side. We think that's a nice addition to have some extra hanging spots in your closet. That might be nice for winter coats. As we go into the apartment, it's always the same furnishing. So you'll see that table and chair, the full-size bed, the bookshelf, the desk and chair, and the dresser. Let's take a look at the bathroom before we go around and see out the window. Same bathroom, so we have that tub shower with a sliding door, the large mirror over the vanity. The vanity does open for more storage, toilet, towel racks, and we've got one of the wall cabinet open so you can see in there. There's a little extra storage space in that wall cabinet as well. There's the light in the bathroom. This style light would be on the wall in the room. Let's go take a look out the window. As we go through, here's an example of how not to place your furniture. You should not block your heater with furniture or objects because that will not allow heat to freely circulate in the apartment. So don't place your desk there. You'll want to move it somewhere else. You can see the air conditioner underneath the window. The window does open. And you can see we are on the street side of the building. This is the Dryden Road, or north side of the building. We are facing north. It's the morning here. You can see the light out on the street. Over to our left, we have a little bit more of a valley view, especially between Collegetown Plaza and the other building. I'm gonna just zoom in for a sec so we can see. There we go. So you do have some trees and valley views there besides just the Collegetown view. This is the best people watching view though. You can always see what's going on in Collegetown. We are just below the corner of College Ave and Dryden Road, which is the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood and is located just 1 block from campus. So here's another example of a north rectangle or regular style studio here at Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road, located just 1 block from campus.